How to make a baby face photo. First, install and open CapCut app. Click Template. Now choose a template that you desire.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Hurricane TV.
Then click Use Template. Now choose a photo that you want to look like a baby face. Click one photo only and click Next. Wait for a few seconds and your photo will be ready. If you want to keep the video, click Export.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Hurricane TV.
Now if you want to export the video without watermark, just click Export without watermark. It will redirect you to TikTok, but you don't have to post it there. It will save in your phone automatically.